join the WebEx, join this meeting. He's from Eduwizz Online Training Coordinator.
Okay.
Yes. Let me ask him to talk first, then I'll proceed further. Yes, Stanley. So let me explain about my profile. So currently I'm working as a senior SAM engineer, senior storage engineer in top MNC in India. So far I worked on purely Netapp, and I have all complete knowledge on different technologies like Active Directory and Linux and related to information security and the VMware. Okay. So can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Hello.
I can hear you.
Should I continue?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So far I worked on completely purely Netapp storage. So starting from Melbourne Mountain, presently I'm working as a L3 administrator, and I'm taking care of complete Netapp storage boxes administrations. So in our client presently, for which I'm working, so we have around 150 to 200 Netapp storage boxes, starting from mid-range to enterprise boxes. So which is a huge infrastructure. So we have all kind of environments like NFS, SIPs, and NS environment, and we have different tools in our environment which I experience, and I'm going to teach all those tools also to you. So which will not be covered even in Netapp professional training or in any other outside training. So I'll cover those tools also. So did you get the course content by Eduwizz?
No.
No. Okay. I'll ask the organizer to send you the course content to you. And yeah, so this is what I also, apart from my normal day-to-day administrations, I worked on 1 to 2 years. I have completely worked on migrations. So migrations in the sense, one big project which I worked is company split, where our client company is divided into two different companies. So I was acted as one of the storage engineer, and I split the infrastructure in terms of storage and SAN. Okay, and apart from that, like I supported a lot of enterprise applications, the LANs, the storage related to the applications, databases, and the different kind of web portals. And now, presently again, I'm back to normal administration and L3 support.
Nice.
Yeah. So I just want to know, before I begin the demo or before I explain about the Netapp storage, I just want to know what is your exact profile, and I want to know whether you know anything about the storage SAN area, or currently you are working on which platform. So all these details I need, so that I can just organize my course content and then the way I explain the course content and the concepts. So all these things I can take care. So once I come to know that.
Yes, I am brand new to storage. I have a background in business administration. I'm brand new to storage. But I look forward to learning, the storage, the Netapp storage, because of the high demand in the market. So that is what it's all about.
Okay. Currently, with which storage vendor you are working? Is it like EMC or some other tools, or how it is?
Tivoli.
Okay. Tivoli, I will do it. No issue there. So I think you have a basic idea about the protocols and the switches, Brocade and Cisco switches, right?
No, actually, I worked on this about 4 years ago. So
Okay.
I've lost touch about the basic protocol.
Okay. Okay. No issue, no problem. So, come to the course content, we'll start with the basic storage terminology, and we'll go through the different protocols we have, and how the Netapp vendor introduced into the market, and how they release the products. Like we have a small business from starting from small business range to enterprise level, and we have different models in the Netapp, and for each and every model we have different features and their specifications, and in which environment they use which type of boxes. So after that, we will slowly get into the details of each and every concept or each and every feature which Netapp provides, and we will cover both NAS and SAN administration, because in any environment, NAS and SAN both are important concepts. So we will be covering both. And apart from that, I will be teaching you if you are interested, I can teach you three more NetApp tools which are very important in nowadays, and many clients or many companies are preferring to use those products to protect their environment. So those tools like Snap Creator, one is the Snap Creator. I'm just explaining you the names, and one is the Snap Manager, which will be used for SAP applications as SQL or Oracle database and different kind of other database applications. So which will take the backup of databases, and which can restore the backup within no time, and which will which will do the DR replication, disaster recovery replications. So these kind of things are provided, these kind of features provided by different kind of tools. But if you take any course outside, like these tools will not be covered under normal NetApp course. But I just put all these concepts into the course content. And apart from these, I'm also covering some process-oriented concepts. So process-oriented concepts in the sense, I think you might have idea about the service request and the change management and the life cycle, ITL process. ITL means infrastructure library. So ITL process, how the change management and service implement will be is the important in the production support. And those concepts also I will explain for some time, like a few hours. And also I'm teaching the basic concepts of the migration. So why I'm teaching basic concepts of the migration in the sense, you will nowadays NetApp we have two kind of modes. One is the 7 mode and one is the cluster mode. Okay, so present market is good, and the major 90% of the market is 7 mode. But if you go 2 years or 3 years forward, maybe 2018 or 2020, slowly now itself slowly companies started migrating from 7 mode to cluster mode. So there are different tools which will be used to migrate data from 7 mode to cluster mode. But all those tools are licensed tools, and we don't have any simulators to do that. But I will be teaching the concepts, how that migrations can be done, and which tool will be used for what purpose, and what is the features of that, and some other concepts related to that. So that when you enter into the production environment, you'll have some kind of hands-on and some kind of clear picture in your mind how to do the migration. So that is what I'm going to add some extra content to the extra thing to the course content. Um, so apart from all these things, we will also have some cluster mode basics. So cluster mode basics, I'm not able, I cannot explain up to what extent I can teach you, because it's again depends on time. If you cover a bit earlier, I'll also teach the cluster mode basics. In the sense, like I will explain you why the cluster mode is introduced, and what is the major difference between NetApp 7 mode and cluster mode, and how the cluster mode setup will work, and what are the basic commands in the cluster mode. and I'll be giving some documents. I think you're seeing my screen, right?
My what now?
You're seeing my screen, right?
No. I'm
No.
not seeing.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll share you my screen. Yeah, I already shared my screen.
Oh, you share your screen? Yeah. Okay, I see. I see.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, fine. So apart from the concepts which I explained now, apart from those, we have some kind of alert monitoring. So we'll have some DFM tools, and I will also explain how to do the on-top upgrade. This is also very important. And one more thing, we have Netapp web login. So you can register directly, and I will explain you how to pull the hardware information, how to take the prerequisites, how to take the auto support, how to raise the case for the support, and all those things also I will be explaining during our course content. And apart from this course content, like I'll be giving you the Netapp materials. So all these are the Netapp materials. I'll be giving 7 mode and cluster mode materials, and 7 mode to cluster mode transition. That is nothing but the migrations. So you will be having Netapp student guide also. So apart from that Netapp student guide, we will be having all other Netapp cluster mode and 7 mode documentation. So what happen is in this you can find all administration details. So let me show you one document. Okay, so this is the Netapp system administration guide. So in this you have all the details related to the Netapp on-top administration, and this is just for administration. So like this you will have for management and efficiency, and you will have for staff creator, you will have for SAN configuration, you will have for SAN administration. Like this you have many things. So this is operation manager is the one tool, and Netapp diagnostic guide, and you will have for Snap Manager, which I said this is the Snap Manager for Microsoft SQL Server. So you will have the document for this also. So this is the document.
Let me ask you. Let me ask you. Do you have any kind of stimulation?
Yes, I have. I'm just about to explain you that stimulation. How you can. I will configure everything in your laptop. So you just need to have 4 GB RAM in your laptop, so that I can just configure and then give it to you. So now I'm going to share you the simulator. So now you can see the simulator, right?
Yes.
Okay. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. So this is the simulator. Now I log into the simulator, so I can practice anything here. So this is a Netapp release, and I can see licenses installed here. So
Please, just can you do me a favor and just take it easy as somebody that does not know anything on Netapp. Let us start from scratch.
Okay, yeah, definitely. That's what I just want to know, whether you have any basic idea of the storage or related to IT infrastructure or not. If you don't know, also I'll teach from the starting. Even I will add some concepts from active Windows perspective, like some basics, like how the users will use the SIPS protocol, like shares, and how they will use the SAN protocol, that is LANs. So this is a very basic difference you should understand throughout our course, so that you will not have any confusion till the end. So once you get clear picture about the concepts and the differences between, you will not have any doubt in your mind, and you can straight away go and support your production. So I'm just showing you now. This is the simulator, and these are all the licenses which are enabled here. So this is enabled, this is added, and these are all not licensed, because I have not added any test license. So, but I have test license. I can give you the test license, and One day I will take your laptop remote control, and I will copy all these simulators. I will configure everything in your laptop. So I want to show you. So these are all the simulators I have now. So this is the Red Hat simulator, and this is the simulator one. That is one Netapp storage box, and this is the simulator two. That is nothing but another Netapp storage box, and this is the Windows 2008 version PC. This is like a server. So what happening? This will act as a Active Directory server and also a client PC and also a normal web server or any kind of thing. And in this Windows server, you will have different tools installed. So you can just directly open and you can practice. If you want, you can upgrade. If you want, you can uninstall and install. Whatever you want to do, you can do in your laptop. Once I copy everything, I'll open and I'll tell you the passwords, IP addresses, and I'll show how to connect to the storage filers from Windows box, from Linux box using PuTTY and using console like this. So different connectivity options. So based on that, you can practice in your own convenient time, and I'll be and if you have any questions or if you have any kind of if you need any kind of details, you can just ask me in next session, so that I can. 1 minute, I'll just open you and. Just give me 1 minute. My laptop is stuck. So, which part of US you are from? So, is it like near to Santa Rosa, San Luis, or Santa Clara?
So what now?
You're from which region? Which part of USA?
I'm in Atlanta, Georgia.
Pardon?
I am in Atlanta, Georgia.
Okay, good.
Atlanta, Georgia. Have you been to Georgia?
No, I've not been there. So I'm been working in India. From here, we support 14 countries.
Okay, you haven't been to United States yet?
No.
Okay.
So last year I got opportunity to go there, but all of a sudden due to some other technical reasons or some project management has stopped the visa, and on-site they have recruited a new person, and he's supporting from on-site. So I'm supporting from offshore. We have around 14 countries support, including USA and EMEA, Europe and APAC region, that is the Asia Pacific, and Israel also we have support. So we have different countries under our support. And
you work remote.
Yeah, I work remotely. We have major data centers in Colorado Springs and Santa Clara and Santa Rosa.
What time is it in India now?
Now it is 4 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah, I just entered the password. Now it is logging in. So once I log in, I'll show you just the tools which are installed. So I'm not going to explain how the tool works and what is the importance of the tool. Once you receive the course content, you go through the course content and you decide. Once you completely decide to decide, and we'll discuss about the timings and all other details. So, what is your time frame? In how many days you want to complete this course? Do you have any time restrictions, or you have any offer waiting for you? How it is exactly?
No, the thing is that I want to get it situated. I have time because right now I'm not working, so I have time in my hand to study for this.
Okay. So you don't have any. You are not hurry to finish the course, right? You have time to learn the course in depth.
Yes, I have time to learn it. So I have a whole lot of time to deal with this.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Just give me 2 minutes. It's logging in because Yeah, it just logged in. So this is the Windows 2008 server. So where we'll be using this server as a jump server, and from this we can connect to the putty. Sorry, we can open the putty and we can connect to the Netapp storage nodes. Okay, and we will be having some Netapp. Yeah, we will be having we have some Netapp tools, that is Netapp On-Command System Manager and Console Manager. And using these two tools, we'll manage some different. We'll manage the NetApp storage boxes in different angles. And here we have some other tools also installed here. So here I'll just show you the names. So here I have Data Fabric Manager. This is the monitoring tool, and this Map Drive. This is another tool to manage the SAN. And we have other System Manager and Windows OS utilities. So from here, quickly, I'm just connecting to storage boxes. So we need to provide username and password. We can connect from any kind of machine. If you have connectivity, then you can connect. So here I'm just entering the password. So that's what I logged in, and I can manage anything from. So this is how you do in your production. Until unless you're going to work in data center, you do the remote management. It's not like direct support. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So any questions, Stanley, regarding accent or any kind of issues related to pronunciation or course content, or any doubts on the course or information?
I've not really taken a look at the course content. I'm going to take a look at the content clearly, and take my time to,
no problem.
look at it.
You can take time. Yeah, you can take your own time and you can decide on course content. But as I said earlier, you can compare the course content outside and the EduWizz and the course content which is sent by EduWizz. Because this course content, I have included many concepts which will not be covered outside. Because Netapp itself teaching those tools as a separate course. So, but why we are including those small concepts? Because every person who is learning Netapp should have some insight, should have some basic knowledge on those tools, so that whenever you're going to support any new technology or new projects, you will not face any problem again in learning those tools or to recall those concepts. So that is a major reason behind to put those concepts into the course content. So once EduWizz people send you the course content, you can go through that and you can have complete. If you want, you can have one more discussion also with them, and you can be celebrated.
Okay, that's cool. Just what I will appreciate is to study what is going on the environment, the real job scenario, the real job situation.
So I'll be giving all these tools. So yeah, I'll be copying all these tools, or I'll upload some these things to some FTP site or somewhere, so that you can download it and you can configure directly. All these tools, all these simulators are pre-configured. You don't need to do any configuration again in your laptop. Yes, you need to install this VMware Workstation 7.1, and you can just open the this VM machines, and you can continue to the practice.
Yeah, so you're gonna configure it in my computer, right?
Yeah, I will copy to some FTP server. I will give you the link. Once you click that link, it will download all the tools. Once it is downloaded all the tools, so you can install VMware Workstation, and you can open any simulator which I give in, and you can start practicing those concepts.
Good. Good.
So, Krishna, are you there?
Is it going to be this section? Is that going to be like a recorded section where I can be going off and on?
This session is being recorded for to improve the quality or some purpose. Let me ask Eduwizz people. Give me 1 minute. Krishna, are you there? Stan, give me 2 minutes.
Okay.